Yeah, welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Can you guys see me and can you guys hear me? Mr. Olufe, I go do as if I don't see your. I go do as if I don't see your comment, sha. Fidelity Token, what's up? Shefi, good morning, my son. How are you? Honor Okere. Guys, let's drop our location. Let's get started. It's a beautiful morning. Love it. Say eat more money, boss. Eat like you, boss. Oh, I'm not gonna answer now. Mr. Andy, God bless you and be with you. Beauty Cartel, is it afternoon already? It's Abia in the afternoon already. I don't know. We should be asking you, please. Easy will be from Ojo. How are you doing? Oh, Zakaria from Kano. I'm not gonna answer Mr. Andy. Shefi, my son from Lagos. Love it from Cameroon. How's Cameroon today? Graham Lewis, my guy, rookie. How's Delta State? Fidelity from Benin, Nigeria. Teresa from South Africa. You guys are welcome. You guys are welcome. How was our night? Beauty Cartel say it's still money there. Probably she made a mistake. Okay, guys, how was our night? Did we notice that the camera has improved? I used yesterday to work a lot on putting things in order. Remaining our mic will soon be ready. I should get it maybe tomorrow or probably by next week. Our mic will be ready, so we should have a very good sound. So one step at a time. We're getting there. By the time we are going to be getting to like 10,000 viewers in our live stream, we're going to get into 50,000 viewers in our live stream, 100,000 viewers in our live stream, a whole lot will have been perfect by then. So you guys that are with me from time, you'll always be remembered, you'll always be appreciated, you'll always be celebrated. Those guys will just be envy then. I'll just be like, you guys don't know. Why we still get 13 viewers? Why is it 15, 30 viewers? These are the people that are with me. By the grace of God, we will grow beyond that. So guys, beautiful. I have to pay for the premium service of that streaming software to get everything in order. So okay. So guys, that was day before yesterday. We had a loss, we had 2 losses. The Euro USD, the gold. Honestly, I'm not supposed to call that gold trade, but I see a scalping opportunity. I'm not really a scalping person anyway, but I see a scalping opportunity. I'll be like, okay, while my people are still trying to get out of this loss of this Euro USD, let's see if this gold will just, and gold messed everything, totally messed everything. In the middle of the night, I tried to see another opportunity. I put it out. It was that gold net later gave us TP1, TP2, but Euro USD messed up. So guys, what we are going to be doing today, we are going to be analyzing, or let me even hear from you guys. Don't worry about this topic, I can change it. What pair do you want us to analyze based on the pairs I have on my watch list? But before we go into that, All the people that took loss day before yesterday, because it's part of trading, we took it together. I had to take a day off to cool my head. It is very, very normal. It is psychological. That's how to get yourself back again. It's very, very normal. It's psychological. When you're taking a trade loss, like you'll be like, wait, what's happening? What is it that I'm not seeing? So you just have to be like, okay, let me calm and see things differently, see things from different perspective. Then I'll be like, okay, these are the mistakes, these are the lessons I took. Okay, let's do better next time. So I did that yesterday. I fixed a lot of things off yesterday, and today, by the grace of God, we're going to have a good way. So let me, if you have not smashed the like button, do that right now. Or do you guys want me to start speaking an accent for you again? Don't let me start speaking accent too. Just smash the like button right now. But don't smash it and break your screen. Let's get it started. Let's get it started. I'm coming, guys. I'm coming. I'm just dropping, calling attention of people that are not online. Shano will go call them for their house. Only going to do my best, and then we get started. Yeah. It's part of the game. Risk management is important. Very, very important. Very, very. That's why you don't have to. If you are not ready to risk it all, don't risk it all. And if you want to risk it all, make sure you have a backup. Thank you, Gary. People are saying my camera quality is very clear. That's beautiful. That's beautiful. I'm smashing the like button very soon. Yes. Better not go do that, Jeffy. Beauty Cartel say boss from good movement yesterday. I noticed it fell up to the highest major level. It plotted. Though it's coming down now, but only if no one's in the destiny. Smooth. Akon Ibrahim from Lagos. How you doing? Okay, so guys, this is it. Let's go. Let's check gold. I saw it in the middle of the night. I was on the chart, baby. Guys, don't want me to speak an accent to you today? Come on, guys. Come on, let's go. So let me quickly check. Let me check. Don't mind all this one. These are the things I was practicing in the middle of the night. Let me just delete. Gold is a very, very bad boy. That guy, very, very bad boy. I'm coming, guys. Let me just clear off all this my practice. I was on the chart practicing, looking at chart, looking at different strategy, opportunity, and all of those things. This was in the middle of the night. Okay. Okay. Let me do this. Something I'm looking at. That was on the 1 minute and 5 minutes time frame, so I was just testing out some things. Now back to our proper chart. This is 4 hours time frame. The stupid goal get to 2080. Hey, God has been a very bad boy. And guess what? He wicked. Look at it from monthly. I checked this in the middle of the night. Look at it on monthly. Look at it. Right now as it is, based on monthly time frame, if we get this monthly candle close above this level, because right now it has not closed above, it's still wicking back down. If this monthly candle went to go and close above, because you realize that what year was this? 2020, when this market come here, it couldn't close above, it wicked down. 2022, it couldn't close above, it wicked down. Now look at it again, it's up here again. If it mistakenly close above, gold might still rally to the upside. But if it didn't close above, wetin happen to all this one? When they close below, wetin happen? Boom. When this one to when they close below, wetin happen? Boom. At least 3 months would be a down bearish candle. This is what I'm saying. When it get to this place, it wick down. Can you see it wick down? The first three candle was bearish. 1, 2, 3. You can see it was bearish before we get a bullish candle. It was bearish. Now when it happened here too, look at it. When it wick down, the next candle that happened, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 months it was just going down. So if this market did not close above, if it wick down just like every other one that has happened in the past, expect at least 3 months from now, gold will be bearish. So we'll just be selling. Get an opportunity, we start selling. Do you guys understand? At least this will be our first level target. This 1828 will be our first level target. So we can swing it. I can even swing it myself. So if I get that confirmation on a monthly time frame, I'll just get my entry maybe on a 4 hour or 1 hour. Is that clear? So let's go to weekly. Do you just get that explanation I just made? Let me hear from you guys. Do you get that explanation? Do you get that explanation? That explanation I make on gold just now, do you get it? Is it clear to you? Let me know. Let me know. Let me know, guys. Okay, somebody say I should repeat, but a lot of people say it's clear to them. Guys, if you have not smashed the like button, smash it right now. Smash the like button right now. Smash it right now. I will explain it again. I'll come back to monthly. I will not base my decision on weekly because you can see what is happening on weekly in this place. So weekly cannot actually make us make this decision. We are going to make that decision based on monthly. Look at it. The first time this market got here, let me zoom out. Since the history of gold, market has never gotten to this level before except for 2020. Market has never gotten to this price before except for when 2020. So let me now zoom. So in as much as we have seen by ourselves, we have used our korokoro eyes to see that market has never gotten here in the past. This is the first time it's going to get here. And when it gets here, what happened? It wicked down. It couldn't close above this our major level. What now happened? We got at least 3 candles that was bearish after them before we get any bullish candle. 3 bearish months. 1, 2, 3. 3 bearish months. So what happened again? The next time it's getting to this level again was when? Was 2022 that it wicked out like this. Once it wicked out and it wicked back in at the end of that month, what happened to the next month candle? At least 1, 2, 3 candle was bearish. Even this one we get like 7 month candle. 7 months it was just selling. So but look at it here. So if this is what I'm now basing my decision on what gold is doing currently. If gold can close above, if it can close above, which it has never done since 2020 that it has come here, if it can close above, then we should be expecting gold to still give us like another bullish candle. Like at least the next 1 month should still be bullish. At least you should still see opportunity to keep buying to the upside. But if this market were to come and do something like this, maybe a week down just like these ones have done, we are going to see at least 3 months that this gold will be selling, just like what has happened here. It's not as if it doesn't retrace. So look at it. At least he bought a little bit here but he finally sold. Look at it. This one too, he bought a little bit here but he finally sold. Look at this one too. Look at this one too. But what matters is that I will take this trade by the grace of God, put my stop loss above, get my entry on the maybe 4 hour or 1 hour, put my stop loss above this major level, and then swing it down at least this will be my first level target, and this will be my second level target, or overall target will be here. I'm just saying, but the market will tell us what it wants to do. At least the month just started. The month just started. Do you now understand what I'm saying right now? Do you guys now understand what I'm saying? Let me know if you understand. Let me know if you understand now. Beautiful. So that's it. So that's what we are going to be waiting for on gold. I won't base my decision on monthly, on weekly, because weekly candle will give us a fake out. It is only monthly candle that never fake out here. So that's why we are going to base our decision on monthly. So, but let's scale down back to then I remember another thing. We should have another level here, especially on this monthly. I'm seeing a level here. Something like a minor level in this place. So I'm going to adjust. It's too tiny. It's too big. So I'll leave a minor level here. And a minor level from monthly time frame, trust me, is a major level on smaller time frame. So let's go to weekly. You can see that place was properly respected. Properly respected. This market moved from here, boom, it came back to retest here, boom, before it started doing that upward movement. You can see the way it was respecting here. It was respecting. You guys are seeing. So there's not much analysis on gold. There's not much analysis on gold. There's not much analysis on gold. All these ones are just market manipulations. Because look at this. This market finally break out. Instead of it to come and retest, it didn't retest. It came back below it and see before it finally now come to the other. All these are kind of market manipulations, but at least this place was well respected before market manipulation happened. It respect it here, move down, respect it here, move down. This one is market manipulation. All these ones are market manipulation, but it finally moved here. It got here, it came back here. It was properly respected. It break it, it came back to retest, properly respected. This is the way market should move. Like all these ones, it gets here, it bounce back up, it come here, it bounce back up, it break it, it came back to retest it. All these ones are normal movement in the market. But all these ones are sometimes that make somebody to take a loss. Let me just highlight it out for you. Things like this are what makes somebody lose money in the market sometimes. Because you never know. This place is a major level or a strong minor level that when market gets here, it's supposed to react sensibly. But look at it, it doesn't react sensibly here. But if you look at it from the past, you will see that that place was properly respected. That place was what? Properly respected. Is either a bounce off is either a bounce off price, or it break it properly and retest it. Look at it here. Why is this one not moving? Look at it here. It broke here. You can see it consolidate around here. There's a consolidation around here. I just want us to learn something. When we say market manipulations, we should understand what we mean by market manipulation sometimes. Look at this, a minor, strong minor level. This market got here. Is there something here? This market got here. You can see it consolidates. That's to let you know that that place is strong. After the consolidation, it break out, and see the breakout, boom, to this upside. Even this one that you are seeing here, let me draw it out again. This one is also market manipulations, a fake out. Because if it's not a fake out, it's not supposed to enter into it, into this level again and never come out on time. You can see it's a fake out. So if you go to monthly time frame or weekly time frame now, you see that this place is a fake out. So these are the market manipulations that sometimes there's nothing you want to do. You just have to lose to the market sometimes. There's nothing you want to do unless you are going to set a big stop loss for yourself. Because look at it from here. You will have think that normally this is the analysis I was doing with myself in the middle of the night. When this market got here now, it was consolidating. Fine. This is daily candle. This is daily time frame. Meaning that all the candles you are seeing here representing one day. So this market consolidates 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 days. That's like 1 week working days and 3 days working, another 3 days, 3 working days in another week. 10 candle, is that not? Or 8 candle. We counted 8 candle here right now. Look at it. Before you finally now break, since it break, ordinarily that's my own style of trading. I will have wait for this thing on a 4-hour time frame, get into this trade, put my stop loss somewhere lower, maybe here, and then take it to this upside. So when it get to this upside, it broke it. Ordinarily, it will be like, congrats, you have broken it. So it's supposed to come and retest and continue to the upside. It's not supposed to come inside it again. So all this one that now happen here is a fake out. Ordinarily, it's supposed to get here without breaking it and then come back inside. But it fake a lot of people to let them know that they should continue buying, and it later sold. Those are what we call market manipulations. So I'll prove it further. This is also one of it again. You can see it break out, a daily candle breakout. Who will have think that this market will not continue to start coming down? But what happened? It start going back up. So, but you will know that this place is very strong when you see what is happening here. You can see this market got here, it wick back up. It came again, it wick back up. It came here, it went back up. It finally break it, retest. This is a proper way. Let me adjust this thing a little bit down. Come on, my mouse, what's wrong with it? Okay, look at it. So these ones are fake out, because if you go to weekly time frame, all this one you see it as a week. For you guys to understand it, let me just quickly go to where is this line that I usually use? Vertical line. I really use that line. Vertical line. Guys, look at this, where I put this line. Let's go to weekly time frame. This is weekly time frame. See guys, it break below too on a weekly time frame. Let's go to monthly time frame. not see the same thing? Guys, gold can be very, very crazy. Sometimes you just naturally lose money to this market. Sometimes naturally you just lose money to this market because of all these crazy things that happen. Look at it on a monthly time frame, it closed below, and immediately it closed below, what happened? See. And if you say we should bring our, if you say we should bring our, if you say we should bring another level here, that would be 2 levels, and that can, for me, let's see, because you have to be prepared for this kind of market because of this fake out and breakout thing. There's something here. Okay, I have a line here. Oh, I don't even know I have a line here. This is going to be, this should be a major level. A major level like this. Okay, I think I changed the color. Okay. I changed the color of, it was after the analysis that I changed the color. Okay. So guys, look at what we are talking about. Now let me go back to that daily time frame. I think we have covered something that is important for us to cover. If not, one will just be subjecting himself or herself to market manipulations, which can be very, very painful sometimes. So let's resume. This is daily time frame, right? So now now that we have adjusted our minor levels, now we have 2 minor levels close to each other. If we can't extend it, it will have been too wide, and there's nothing that says we can't trade from one minor level to another minor level, at least if not swinging but day trading. We can actually day trade it, so that should give us some kind of clue. Now look at it. We have this market got here, it came to respect. Let's just assume that there's another major level. If not, we'll just be calling everything fake out, and we can't just allow too many lines, and that's why we have to be very, very careful in trading. Trading is everybody is a student of chart, everybody is a student of market. So let me delete this now. So this market got here, but this upper one is more stronger than this lower one, or if it is now different, we'll see as time goes on. This market got here, respect it, it come down to get to this level before we start moving to the upside. So now we can see it came here again to the up, it came here, want to do as if it wants to touch here, but it couldn't move to the upside. It finally break and touch here, it came back to retest here, then boom to the downside here. Those are how we know that that place is very strong. This one, let me adjust it a little bit down here. Okay, so now we have this is what reverse this market. This is a double bottom, 1 2. So since it came back to retest it, instead of it to come back and come here, it put up another equal low. So that was how this market reversed to the upside. But was this place respected? Yes, it was respected. It was respected here, it was respected here, it was respected here, it was respected. This one is a clear fake out, but you know, if you want to put a line here, you can put a line here. Let's see if putting a line here to let us know what is likely to happen, because if market can get to this place and return it came back to test that place too. Can you see? Can you see? So we are going to actually just start putting this level 2 into consideration, but I won't call it a minor level. I'll just put a line there that market can actually react from that level. You can see it's a minor level, but a minor level not compared to others. And if you look at it from what has happening, the market was respecting all the minor and major levels that we draw here. So ladies and gentlemen, this market has gotten here. I've told you what we are waiting for on a weekly time frame, on a monthly time frame. Let me go back to monthly time frame again. Okay, this is going to be our target. First level, second level, third level, fourth level. Can just do TP1, TP2, TP3, TP4. It's going to be a swing trade if the market eventually presents an opportunity like that for us. So I hope that is clear. We have just updated our good analysis. We have just updated our good analysis. Is it very clear, ladies and gentlemen? Can we move on to today's chart? Is it very clear, ladies and gentlemen? Do we now know what we are waiting for on gold? Do we now know what we are waiting for on gold? Richard, sorry, guys, if you are in any of the DAOM Empire channel, give it a different notification tone. Give it a different notification tone. That is going to actually let you know when we are dropping any vital information. Maybe we want to start live so that you don't miss any of the lessons. You don't have to come and rewatch, or you don't miss the opportunity of asking the right question at the right time. Because when you're on this live session, if you ask me any question, I quickly go to the chat and clarify it. Is that clear? So, but give it a different notification. That's what I did to my mentor's channel when I was starting out too. I give it a different notification so that when it drop, I know that this notification is a serious, important notification. And then there's another thing you can do on Telegram. You can set your notification to priority. Give it high priority. iPhone don't allow custom notification on Telegram. I don't know about that. I'm not a fan of iPhone, so I don't use iPhone. But before that I like iPhone, but not anymore. I don't like iPhone, so I don't want to use iPhone. So I don't know if iPhone does it. But if iPhone is not offering that kind of thing, then just always be at alert. Just always be at alert. So it's clear right now, Abi. We now know what we are waiting for. If you are just joining us, make sure you like. What's up? Why is it not that one? Okay, our connection is good. So guys, make sure you are smashing the like button if you are just joining. Make sure you are doing that right away. So as we move on, guys, what pair should we look at? I'm hoping we should look at USD card. What pair do you guys think we should look at? Make sure you smash the like button. Smash it like right now if you have not do that. Or you guys want me to start speaking accent for you right now? Should we just look at USD card? Or is there any other suggestion? Guys, tomorrow is NFP. I don't know how we're going to do it, but we're going to trade NFP tomorrow. We're going to trade an NFP tomorrow. You either go hard or you go home. But I pray we go hard successfully. That's what we're doing tomorrow. There's no tolerance for 0.01. I'm using a very reasonable lot size. You either go hard or go home, which I believe by the grace of God we are going to go hard successfully. We'll make a lot of profit for ourselves here tomorrow by the grace of God. So let's get at it. Let's get ready. So guys, what pair? Are you guys following? What pair? What pair should we look at? USD card. While I'm waiting for you guys to suggest the pair we should look at, let me quickly look at GBP USD. GBP USD. Let's quickly do an overview. Tomorrow NFP will correct a lot of moves. Tomorrow NFP is going to, all this rubbish that this market is doing, tomorrow NFP will come up straight the head. Because this one now, you want close above, abi you no want close above. You have put up, you break out, you retest, you have do like you are giving a double bottom. Fine. You won't come dey go up, you have break the neckline here. Fine. Try close above here. Even if you close above, look at this one. It's a weekly candle. If when they close above, what happened? Started coming back down. Market can be very, very crazy. Market can be very, very crazy. This is why I look at my chart. I'll be like, okay, am I seeing everything that I need to see in this chart? Am I seeing everything that I need to see? Is the market communicating something that I've not seen yet? Have I seen all what the market is communicating? I'll just put it here. I'll put it here because it's safer here. Is what it is safer here. At least here it touched. It couldn't close above, it came down, it touched. Here it touched, it couldn't close below, it went back up. Here it touched, it break it, retest, come down, come to retest again. It finally break it again here. It came here, it touched, it went down. It gave us a fake out here, went down. It break it here, it came close to it. I'm just confirming how strong that level is on a weekly time frame. This place too, it came back down. So let's wait for a weekly candle to close above if it wants to go up. At least let me adjust this to a little bit. Okay, guys, do this thing often too. Do it often. Do it often. Okay, look at your chart again. This is GBP USD, Euro USD. Very clear analysis. Very clear analysis. So look at the way it is rallying up. Let's see if it's going to break above this level. If it break above this level, then we know it's going to come down, but I don't think it's just going to continue going up without retracing. Let's hope. At least we got all the right levels we are supposed to cash. Everything is properly plotted. US 30. Ordinarily, US 30 is an uptrend. Based on the analysis we drew here, it's an uptrend. I want to understand the reason why I draw this blue line. I don't like my chart getting too busy like this. I think all these ones are for TP. Okay, let me go to 4 hours time frame. Okay, the market was actually respecting here. Market actually was respecting here. But it's not supposed to be okay, not much. BTC. Okay, guys. Brandon AK said, "Do you analyze up here from monthly before you trade?" Why will I go into a trade without knowing the overall direction? The reason why we go to monthly is to know the overall direction where the market is going, where we are going to see the big picture of what the market is doing. So we don't trade against the trend, we follow the trend. So that's why we have to go to the monthly to see what's going on the monthly, to see what's going on the weekly, see how it, if the monthly is aligning with the weekly, if the weekly is aligning with the daily, if the daily is aligning with the 4 hours, we are very good to go. But if we see that the daily is aligning, just like Euro USD right now, the monthly is saying downtrend, the weekly is saying downtrend, but from daily to 4 hours is saying uptrend. So in that kind of case, we are very careful to trade that kind of market. We are very careful to trade that kind of market. But we always have to look at the ones that align, everything aligned. So when we are putting our money there, we are sure of what we are putting our money into. That's why before now we usually trade a lot in a day, but right now our trading has reduced, maybe 1, 2 or 3 maximum in a day. Sometimes hardly do we trade over 3 trades in a day, but at least we usually make sure that our trades are very quality ones, and we're just even getting started. Juliana, I welcome you. Sorry for your network. Now Nigeria will get that day now. I can't let me go and fund your account. That's what I will just tell you. Go and fund your account. Let's go to USD card. Since you guys are not suggesting any pair, you just want me to do anyone I want. So let's go to USD card. USD card, welcome us today. What is the market doing? What is the market doing? Let's first look at it. Let me delete everything that has ever been here. What is the market doing? Guys, from what you can see, these are all the details from when? From 2002 to 2023. Is this market an uptrend or a downtrend? Ladies and gentlemen, I need an answer. My student, is this market an uptrend or a downtrend? What's the overall direction of this market? What is the overall direction of this market? Let me get answers. What is the overall direction? I'm waiting. Ladies and gentlemen, this is USD card from monthly time frame. What is the overall direction of this market? Ladies and gentlemen, what is the overall direction of this market? Juliana, I believe you are seeing my screen right now. So what's the overall direction? Hey! Finally, my people finally see where to go shake them. Mm. I'm seeing downtrend. I'm seeing uptrend. I'm seeing sideways direction. Finally, you guys have been spotting that trend thing from different peers that are very very easy. Now don see na don see wetin pass na. People confuse sha. Hmm. Let's quickly get out of this. Juliana is confused. Shibueze said downtrend but it's in the correction phase. Shibueze, I will agree with you that it's a downtrend. Guys, look at it. How do you know if a market is trending up or down? Simply plot your trend line. Your trend line has to touch two most obvious. This is first touch, this is second touch. So what's the characteristics of a downtrend? You have to get low, lower high, lower low. It couldn't give us lower low, give us double bottom. It was reversing, but it has never break this level, because this is a level of what? This is the previous high. Since this previous high has never been taken, this market still remain a downtrend, and it has never closed below this. It has never, nothing has closed above this trend line on the monthly time frame. I don't know, all this week can be a close in the weekly or daily, but trust me, they are just fake out, because you can see it from the monthly time frame here. This is a clearly downtrend, but it might now be on its way going up, but it's a clearly downtrend. Another thing we can do is this. This is a counter trend line. How does this work? We can be like, okay, we want to know if this market is going up or down. If this market can close above this trend line, it is going to be close above, retest and continuation. If this market can close below this trend line, it's going to be continue selling, maybe breakout, retest and continuation. I need to give myself rest. I didn't have enough sleep in the middle of the night. So let me quickly just go through all this. So now, since we have confirmed, do you now see the reason why it's a downtrend? Can you guys confirm it's a downtrend? Egwagu, Shidi, Shidi Egwagu. This one now uptrend now. Makajuku now uptrend though. Now downtrend though, no be uptrend. Hey. So let's start plotting our major and minor levels. We start with the most obvious. Let's start. I'll remove all this trend line. I'll remove it. The trend line is just for us to confirm what the market is. So where are the most obvious turning point of this market? We take our I'll draw this first because I see that this is what reversed this whole market. He got here, started rallying up, he came back again, he sent it back up. He has never come again. He came, he retest, boom. Has never since then. This place no be their mates. Very strong level. So aside from here, another one we can easily spot is here. Another one can easily spot it. It's here. You can see the market has been trying to break above. It was just failing, just like the gold. Oh man, I need to quickly wrap up this. I need to go and give myself some kind of rest. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to be very careful with this plotting. This market got here, sent it back up, it broke it, it came to retest it, you can see very clear before it come back down. It came back here, weak, back down, came back here, weak, back, break it, retest, okay. USD card as it is right now, I might decide to remove it from my watch list if it is not giving me a very clear because I don't like fake out, honestly speaking. And if you are going to be, the reason why I'm trading gold is because gold is very volatile. So once you get it right, you make a lot of money on gold. But this one are USD pairs and forex pairs. They move slowly, just like every other forex pairs. So if you are going to now move slowly, you have to present me the best of opportunity. So look at it, it was respecting, but I hate fake out. Look at all these things now. You think that this market is now coming all the way here, because this is going to be another major level. Who's saying you stay here? This is going to be another major level. This is going to be another major level, but it's not touching. This one actually touch, this one touch, send it back down. This one break it, came back. This one respect it a little. This one came close to here. This one couldn't come close. This one too, look at it. They were just like they were playing some kind of fucking pancake kind of. Ladies and gentlemen, should we remove USD card from our watch list or should we continue? Let me hear from you guys. Should we remove USD card or should we continue? Let's make life very easy and simple for ourselves. Let's trade the most obvious. There's nobody that is forming a guru anything here. What we are here for is for knowledge and to make good money. So if you see anything that I want to be doing like this, you get rid of it. After all, I will be the one to decide if I want to trade you or not. We'll definitely remove it. That's it. I like the way Mavic Tech put it. He says, seems the market looks tricky. So don't take it personal. Yes, they always say I've always hated USD card. Anyways, if we are not seeing things from bigger time frame, we might not see all these things. That's why it is important to always see things from bigger time frame, so that I'll be able to know the overall direction. Since the beginning that you guys are confused that where is it going safe, if they go up abi if they go down. So we'll remove it from our watch list, but because we are going to remove it doesn't mean we cannot analyze it. Let's still continue with the analysis. So I will analyze it. I won't take much time on it. This is a weekly time frame. Another thing about how tricky this market is this. Look at it. What is this, ladies and gentlemen? What pattern is this? What pattern is this? What pattern is this? If we see a pattern like this, what should we be expecting for the pair to do? I want to read response. I think after this life, I'll just go and rest my head. What pattern is that? And when we see such pattern, what is the expectation? If you see a pattern like this, let me draw it out. See a pattern like this. What pattern is this? And if you see a pattern like this, what should we be expecting? So, ladies and gentlemen, I will now tell you that this pair is very, very tricky. Let me prove it to you. We can be patient and see what the pair wants to do. It's not as if we can make money off the pair. Before we see double top, we have seen W pattern. We have seen double bottom. I will highlight it out. Where is it? Look at this. In fact, it has turned to how many bottom now? Triple bottom. When we spot a triple bottom, it's an indication that the market wants to reverse to the upside. Ladies and gentlemen, it gave us a W pattern here. This is the neckline that was broken. Immediately this market close above here, we are expected to actually break to the upside. But this major level here send it back down to come and form another triple bottom. So I cannot categorically tell you that this market is going to go down or go up. If it gets here again, this one has formed a triple bottom. Forming a triple bottom is an indication that the market wants to start going to the upside, reverse to the upside. Forming a double top is an indication that the market wants to start selling to the downside. Now in the case that you now have the two, what will you do? You now have the two, what will you do? You will see M there, you will see W there. Sorry, is it M or just double top? There's no M here, just double top. You see W, you see double top. In this kind of scenario, what do you think we should do? What do you guys think we should do? What do you guys think the market will do? In this kind of scenario where we have double top, triple bottom, what do you guys think the market will do? What do you guys think the market will do? Ladies and gentlemen, the bad boy called good. This bad boy called good. I'm not moved by his movement. Emma fall. If you don't understand Yoruba, don't fall. I'm not moved by this movement. I want a long time movement, not one kind tricky movement. Close above, if it's sure for you, close above on the monthly. If you can't close above on the monthly, I know tomorrow NFP will correct a lot of things. So if tomorrow, I don't know what the market will do tomorrow yet, but if the market will sell tomorrow, it has forfeit this thing, and you are going to see that. Let's just leave matter till tomorrow by the grace of God. Let's leave matter till tomorrow. On a 4-hour time frame. You can't be like say you can't retest this trend line that I draw here. Can't be like say you can't retest this trend line. I want to start continuing going up. Anyhow, on a candlestick pattern, this is a 4-hour time frame, right? If you see something like this, it's an indication that there is a selling pressure at this level. Massive selling pressure. See the way the market starts. Buyers push it to the upside. Sellers say, hey, you guys dare us and come to this level. They sold it off. This candle finally closed as hammer pin bar. You can see. So don't be moved by all this movement of gold. Honestly, I'm supposed to call a gold buy for you, but I decided not to call it. So as we are saying, let's go to our USD card. The tricky USD card. What do you guys think about USD card? I'm very happy with this response. Starting from Mavic Tech. Mavic Tech say, I think the breakout will decide. Beautiful. You wait for a clearer confirmation. Absolutely. Juliana says to wait for more confirmation. Beautiful. Junior Richard says we wait for a good confirmation of a breakout or a retracement. Interesting. Shibweze said let's wait for a breakout above or below. Interesting. Wait till break. Absolutely beautiful. So that is what we are going to do. Until then, ladies and gentlemen, we don't have any business with USD card. Until then, we don't have any business with USD card. But you know, people can scalp from here to here, from here to here. In fact, they can day trade too. Remember, this is a weekly time frame. If you are not seeing it on a weekly, if you go to a smaller time frame, we might not see all these things. So it has given us a double bottom, triple bottom, just a touch, okay. It has given us triple bottom, it has given us a double top. Let's see, aside from that, guys, notice another thing. Notice another thing. Let's see if it's going to continue respecting that trend line. If you respect that trend line, that's going to be a chart pattern that will what? A pennant. If eventually break out, it's going to go either of the direction, but we are going to favor the upside more. Is it the upside or the downside? Let's wait for the breakout first. Let's wait for the breakout. So ladies and gentlemen, this is where I will stop. Now see what I'm saying. Let's go to daily time frame. If you go to daily time frame, there are several opportunities that you'll have seen in this ranging. You'll have seen several opportunities here. You can see there is a level that this market is respecting here. So this market can either break it now or go down from here. That's if you want to be day trading or scalping. But me, I like to day trade when I see that the direction is clear. I'm not trying to quickly go in and come out. I want to go in the overall direction. Even if I want to day trade, let me day trade in the direction of overall of the market. Even if I want to swing, I will swing in the direction of the overall direction of the market. But if I want to day trade, I like to day trade in the direction of the overall market too, so that you will see that when the market is going in that overall direction, the candlestick will be bigger. It will not take much time, but if you are trading against it, it might take a long time. You might play with your emotion and all of those things like that. So therefore, ladies and gentlemen, USD card, I'll just leave it. Let's call it a day from here. I need to go and rest my head. Didn't see any opportunity. Let me quickly scan through again. From gold. Let me scan through again from gold. GBP USD. You can see GBP USD put up something like a M pattern here. 1, 2, 3. You can see M pattern, but it couldn't break this neckline. That was why we didn't see that massive drop. So I'm still waiting if it's going to actually do something like that. But if not, let's see it break above this level. If it can break above this level, we are going to, ladies and gentlemen, how many pips are we waiting to cash? We are waiting to cash over 500 pips. If this market can close above over 500 pips, that's what we're waiting for. And from here to here is like a 300 pips or so. So let's just wait. But right now, the overall direction of GBP USD is a downtrend. If you go to monthly time frame, you confirm this. The overall direction is what? A downtrend. You can see. So this market going up, forming up trend on a daily time frame, you can see. You should know that it is a temporary retracement, temporary, maybe a market correction. The market is just trying to correct something. The overall direction of this market is still a downtrend. So you need to break. If you can break this level, come here, break it, come on, we start changing bias immediately. So but for now, and even when you want to start heading up from here, it doesn't form any pattern. It just got here and started going back up and couldn't come back again. So that shows like a retracement. Okay, so let's just be patient. Opportunity will present itself. Now look at Euro USD 2. That one too is on a downtrend, overall downtrend. All these ones are just retracements. So but let's see what. I'm not going to base my decision on a daily candle for this market. I'm going to base my decision on a weekly candle, because this Euro USD has come and give us something like what we call shege day before yesterday. So let me change it to weekly candle close above, so that we don't fall a victim of the fake out again. Weekly candle close above, it will give us a very solid assurance that we should start pushing to the upside, and we can have a tiny stop loss here, and then we can push all the way. How many pips is that? From this minor level to another minor level, this like over 700 pips. So let's just be patient, the wait will worth it. On Euro US 30, US 30 is an uptrend. All these ones are just correction. The correction might get to this level, you might get to this level, or you might get here and just start going back up. So this is what we are waiting for. Ideally, we are waiting for a breakout. We can day trade this breakout to this red line here, and then we hope it's going to retrace, then before we now swing it to this level. So that's what we are waiting for on US 30. BTC is playing. You need to come down here. You have to respect market rules, the rules of the market. Once you have taken enough time to break out from this level, you cannot just break out from it and not just come and retest. Come back, you will retest. It will retest. It is after that retesting that will now start taking BTC to the upside. NAS too is up. Okay, I think I drew something like okay. This market started from here, it moved all the way to this upside, came back to this 50% retracement. This zone, this is a very powerful zone. From there, boom, it has catch this. So what I'm waiting for next here, we are going to shift our Fibonacci here from week to week. So will I say this market started retracing from here? So with what I'm seeing right now, the market has actually come to retest here once. So I don't know. Let's wait, because it is ideally that this market come and retest this minor level here, or even come a little bit below it, just like this one has done, wick down and start wicking up again. So we can know that this market has fulfilled this trend and now we want to continue going to the upside. So if this one doesn't happen, let's see if it's just going to break out. Well, we are going to be doing like this and watch the opportunity that is going to bring for us. USD card, we have made a decision on USD card. For now, we aren't doing anything. That will be all for today, ladies and gentlemen. I need to go and rest my head. Any question before we call it today? Any question? And guess what, guys? If I see a reasonable setup, I'll send. A reasonable setup is what I call it. I'll send it to the signal channel. If I see, but if I do not see, I would rather let us preserve our money for tomorrow. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? What do you guys think? I like the way Richard put it. Let's preserve our money for tomorrow. You guys can see I'm using a premium service now. And see the way I'm just doing shakara with all these features. So we are not trading today. Officially, I'm saying that. We are not trading today. So we'll preserve our capital for what? For tomorrow. Let me just quickly look at it. What time is tomorrow news? Maybe I'll be risking like $150 on tomorrow news. Maybe I'll be risking like $150. Honestly, I want to risk like $500, but I have to just I have to reach what I can afford to let go. What time is the news tomorrow? Come on, show now. They want me. We even have news today around 1:30. Everything is still related to the new to the NFP that is going to happen tomorrow. NFP is 1:30 tomorrow, ladies and gentlemen. So if you are Muslim like me, you have to go to mosque. Our mosque they pray by 2:30, so I'll be at home by that 1:30. Take the trade. By 2, I'm out of the house to go and pray. Shefi, I'm saying this because of you. So 1:30 Nigerian time tomorrow. YouTube Premium. I know they do YouTube Premium. I didn't even see any reason why I should do that. How will I do YouTube Premium? I don't know. Maybe if there's a reason why I should do it, I'll do it. But I never see a reason why I have to do Premium, YouTube Premium. Let me make you guys see me properly, Sha. So that I don't look like an ancestor. Oh, God mercy. Okay. So 1:30 p.m. tomorrow Nigerian time. If you are not in Nigeria, you could go to forexfactory.com to know the time, or you know how to convert the time of Nigeria to your time. But it's going to be 1:30 p.m. tomorrow Nigerian time. Go to forexfactory.com to check. Make sure your time and your location is correlating with Forex Factory. And if you don't know how to do it, just make sure you are catching up with everything we are doing in the channel, especially if you are in the private channel. I'm going to be dropping tomorrow NFP idea by the grace of God in the private channel, in the Signal channel. So if you are not in the Signal channel, make sure you join us tomorrow. Make sure you do everything possible to make sure you join us tomorrow. Of course, we are going to send receipts to the public channel tomorrow. We are going to send receipt of our trade. We are going to go on Instagram. We are going to post our results. We are going to flaunt to the world that God actually is blessing us. Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, that will be all for now. So if you don't have any question, just type bye in the chat box. Let's call it a day. That tomorrow, let me say it again, is either you go hard or you go home. Of course, you can start risking from, I will send a trade idea that I will send a loss that you are going to use. You can start risking from $10. I'll consider people that have $50 accounts. So you can say you want to risk $10, you can risk $20, you can risk $50, you can risk $100, you can risk $150, you can risk $200. You can risk $500, you can risk $1,000. If you are the type that is trading a prop firm account, you can risk from 2%. If you are the type that your daily drawdown is 3%, risk 2% or 2.5%. If you are the type that your daily drawdown is 6 or 5%, you can risk 4% or 4.5%. Do you understand? But don't do this risking of a thing if you don't have a backup. That's my own. But if you are using a prop firm, of course, if you don't violate your rules, and that's why I didn't say you should risk all. If you risk, maybe if you are giving a daily drawdown of 3%, if you risk 2% or 2.5%, that means you still have opportunity to trade next if the trade go against you. But if the trade go for you, if you don't pass your account, it will be left with just little, which I hope that by the grace of God we are going to actually pass tomorrow, and we are going to actually make a lot of profit tomorrow. So if you are the type that is trading 5% maximum daily drawdown or 6%, use 4.5. At least the first level target is always around 10%. So if you are using 4.5, you pass tomorrow if the trade go in your direction. If it doesn't go in your direction, you can still continue trading the following week. For me personally, my personal account, my XM account, I'll be risking like $150. I want to risk $500, but based on one or two things, I still have some courses I want to buy. I still have some things. I just be like, I don't want to delay in this course. So if I go and read this thing and this market goes otherwise, that means I will have to trade and save up my money again to be able to buy. Okay, let me just look what I can afford to lose. So I can afford to go with $150. Chicken, anything that happen, but I pray we make profit. I pray we make profit. Very soon I'll be risking $1,500. I'll get there. And you too. Very soon I'll be risking $5,000. On a live account. So I'm not talking of prop firm right now. On a live account. Real account. So guys, let's call it today. Do you have should we have and I feel like sleeping, but my mind is saying, can I just do like a Telegram? Maybe I should do like a Telegram kind of live session after now. so that people can actually speak. So let's call it a day from here. Let me see if I can quickly do like 5 to 10 minutes on Telegram. Bye from here, guys. Keep winning and always remember that Diamond Aridoh does love you guys.